Hi guys, welcome back to the Rustic Handyman. Today I'm going to be working on this weed eater. I got this many years ago at an auction. Probably paid a little bit of nothing for it, but it's been pretty reliable. The other day I went to start it, pulled on the cord here, and won't move at all. The motor is seized up. So I'm going to be taking this apart, see what's up with it. Maybe you can learn something from the video. So guys, there you have it. I opened this up, detached the arm off of the motor here, and I started turning this a little bit, and there was something jammed up right in this clutch part, and I don't know if the spring was slightly off or what, because it happened so fast, but now it's all free. The motor's all free in there now. So that's how simple that fix was. Just taking this apart, looking at what was going on. I didn't even have to take the motor apart. So I'm gonna put this back together and give it a shot. Something's not right with my linkage. This trigger won't move. Oh yeah, this trigger has to be in past where the screw goes in. Now the screw goes in.